Hello all, welcome to the channel of Crash and Burn. We're going to be talking about the W16 Nano drone. I just bought this from Amazon, delivered right to the doorstep. So I'm not going to go what is in the packaging. Just came in plastic packaging. Nothing great. But this is what you got in the box. You got your charger. Got your 4 props, screwdriver, a prop puller, a new battery, an extra battery, not a new battery. Then you have instructions. The instructions also tells you how to get the application to work with it. Now, this is the drone. Let me see if I can get better light on me here. Here we go. This is the drone. Okay, this is what it looks like. It's a controller for the drone. When you open this up, now I've already opened this up. I've already did a little bit of flight test on this. This is by far not a beginner's drone, but you can get the prop guards. You also get, if you'll notice, I was able to get them inside and I was able to shut the cover. That's what I was hoping, make this portable. This is to hold your phone. Because it does come with an app. Now if we take all the prop guards out, take the little prop guards out. This thing is a beauty. If you look at it, it ain't that easy to fly. I'm going to tell you that. Here's the controller. You have the normal speed 3D flip. The back side has your camera, photo and video. This does come off. If you want to take it off, you can just squeeze these right here and the phone piece will come off, and then you just got a controller. You don't want to do the application. It's the normal stuff, you know, take off, trim, normal stuff in here. These are the buttons for your sticks. Just push these in. There you go. Got a controller. Okay. This here opens up. So basically you bring everything to the center. And there you go. Little camera. Antenna on the bottom. Nice little props. The back has the power button. It's a little tiny button. You push on it. You see red lights in the back, green in the front. Take the battery off. It tells you what direction. So watch the direction. It says push it forward. Push it forward. And that's the battery. Battery is almost as big as the drone itself when you think about it. Pretty big battery. Again, to charge these, it's a little charger. Right there, there's a little tiny hole. It says CHA. If you can read it, you might need a magnifying glass, but that's where it is. To bind this little bugger, let's turn it on. Okay. To bind this, going to turn on your button. It's going to go up, down. See the light stop flashing. Then you're going to go inwards, and that's going to calibrate the gyros. Now you can use the one button takeoff, blah blah blah. I wouldn't be using one button takeoff until you learn how to fly this. They say this is a beginner's, give it to a kid. Let me tell you, I fly a lot of stuff. This is not that easy to fly. But anyway, let's just start up the props. And as you can see, that's the props. That's speed 2, speed 1, speed 2, speed 3. And she is fast. And again, if you're going to fly this indoors, let me turn this off. Use the prop guards. Let me tell you, I don't know how many times prop guards, everybody says, oh, I don't want to do the sissy thing. I'm this great flyer, I can do this and I can do that. Let me tell you, I've been flying a long time. Use prop guards. Saves the machine. Oh, let me shut this off. Saves the machine. If you like buying props or buying new drones because you burned up the motors, hey, all the power to you. But as you can see, here she is. All set up, ready to go. She bumps. I just have to worry about things going inside. Otherwise, that's what you have. This is the W16 Nano drone. And I'll be doing an indoor flight on it so you can see what it flies like. It is a good little flyer. And again, I got this from Amazon. In fact, I get it overnight. So, just stay tuned for the indoor flight. Let's see. Speed 1. Yeah, it's not too bad. Speed 2. You can see she's a little faster. A little faster. Still a little floaty. That's a little practice. That's why I say this is no way a little beginners, you know. I'm like, yeah, okay, I want to see, try to keep this going. I haven't tried a 3D flip. Whoops, ain't bad. Let me get it out here. Not bad. Recovery's great. That's a great recovery. Again, this is a great little Nano drone. That's speed 2. Speed 1. Oh, there's the battery. And she'll automatically go down. Well, it was a short flight. Hey, stay tuned.